Are you looking for the best Phomemo printers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Phomemo printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Phomemo M08F Letter Portable Printer. The Phomemo M08F Letter Portable Printer is a great no-mess ultra-portable thermal letter printer. It is compact and space-saving, weighing only 2 pounds and 1.5 inches thick, making it easy to transport. It uses thermal technology and does not require ink, toner, or ribbons, and each thermal paper costs only 14 cents. It is compatible with iOS, macOS, Android, and Windows 7/8/10/11, and is suitable for printing PDF, Word, images, and web from your phone. It provides superior print clarity and fast processing, and has a great battery life. However, it can be expensive at 15 cents to 26 cents per page, and photos and very small fonts may not print clearly. What we like: compact and space-saving design. No ink, no mess. Easy to use hardware and app. Relatively quick for a non-industrial thermal printer. Great quality prints for the right use cases. Number 2. Phomemo M832 Wireless Thermal Printer. The Phomemo M832 printer is a versatile wireless thermal printer designed for convenience. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily print from your smartphone or tablet using the Phomemo app, making printing quick and hassle-free. This printer utilizes innovative thermal technology, eliminating the need for costly ink cartridges and allowing you to save money by using only thermal paper. The built-in paper bin supports multiple paper sizes, including standard US letter, ensuring you can print what you need without extra hassle. It's an ideal choice for home, office, or school use, making printing accessible wherever you go. What we like: Bluetooth wireless printing. Inkless thermal technology. Supports multiple paper sizes. Portable and easy to use. Number 3. Phomemo M250 Label Maker. The Phomemo M250 printer is a versatile label maker designed for convenience and efficiency. With an impressive battery life, you can print up to 5,000 labels on a single charge, making it perfect for busy users. Its 3-inch printing width accommodates various labels, from barcodes to food labels, helping you stay organized at home or in your business. The user-friendly Print Master app offers a wide range of customization options, allowing you to create unique labels tailored to your needs. Plus, its lightweight design means you can take it anywhere with ease. What we like: extended battery life. Wide printing width. Customizable app features. Portable and lightweight. Number 4. Phomemo M02X Mini Printer. The Phomemo Mini Printer is a compact and convenient device that connects via Bluetooth to your phone or tablet, making printing a breeze. You can enjoy ink-free printing with this thermal printer, producing crisp black and white images without the hassle of ink cartridges. Whether you're creating DIY projects, study notes, or scrapbooks, this printer works with both sticky and non-sticky papers, giving you the freedom to express your creativity. With various functions available in the Phomemo app, you can easily customize your prints, adding a personal touch to your documents and designs. What we like: Bluetooth connectivity. Inkless printing. Versatile for DIY projects. Compact and portable. Number 5. Phomemo Bluetooth Thermal Label Printer. The Phomemo Label Printer is a versatile Bluetooth thermal label printer that offers convenience and efficiency. With its easy-to-use installation process, you can start printing labels in just 2 minutes using the LabelLife app and software. This printer supports importing PDF files and DIY labels, as well as generating 1D and QR codes online. The latest AF chip and Japanese high-tech thermal print head ensure high-quality and high-speed printing, without the need for ink or toner. The printer automatically senses and adjusts the label position, saving you time and eliminating wasted label paper. With a maximum printing speed of 12"/s, you can quickly print up to 124 inches by 6 inches labels per minute. The Phomemo label printer supports labels ranging from 1 to 4.6 inches in width, making it suitable for various marketplaces and shipping platforms. With its commitment to free replacement for up to 24 months and lifetime customer service, this printer is ideal for small businesses. What we like: easy to use, smart automatic label positioning, high-speed printing,